Hi, this is Shelley Wong, PI of the COMET study. I wanted to congratulate the entire team and all the sites that have the COMET study open on reaching our 200th enrolled patient. Let's go!
Thank you for your accrual to the COMET trial. We are thrilled that the study is taking off, and someday we'll have an answer to the question of, is it okay for women to have active surveillance as a choice for the management of their low-risk DCIS? Thank you.
And my name is Liz Frank, and I'm one of the advocates on the patient leadership team. I wanted to congratulate our sites on our accrual of 200 so far and say that I am so excited about working with you over the next year. Congratulations to all.
This is Desiree Basila from the COMET Patient Leadership Team, and I just wanted to congratulate us all on having accrued over 200 patients to the study. So many thanks to all our wonderful sites and to our 201. Go team!
My name is Donna Pinto. I'm a patient advocate with the COMET study, and just want to say thank you to everyone who's involved with the study, and really excited with the momentum, and reaching 200 women is something to celebrate. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Over 200 women have joined the COMET trial. Well done, everybody. That's fantastic news. Only 1,000 people needed now before we can answer the question, is active surveillance as good as guideline concordant care? We're getting there.
Hey COMET sites, it's great to see you. This is Deborah Collier. I'm one of the patient advocates, and great job. We're looking for another 200 in the next month. Not really.
Hi, Tom Lynch here, Project Manager on the COMET study. Great news about the 200 patients up, and look forward to doing that in the same vein. Let's carry on. Great news, well done everybody. Let's go.